What's up, guys? Today I'm going to be hauling my Corvette and my Mustang. And we're gonna go to somewhere, I don't know where. But, yeah. It's a nice truck. First, I need to stop at the gas station. Not this one. This one's like $10 a gallon. Actually, pull in my house. Alright, guys, I'm back. Truck won't move. Oh my gosh! Let's go back this way, where I was going to go, but I had to stop at my house. And then everybody started pouring into my house because I accidentally leaked my address. Going to this gas station. Gotta fill up. Get me a drink. Yes, I would like to pay for this can. Thank you. Sir, what are you doing? Yeah, thanks. I'm gonna start heading now, okay? Bro, I'm stuck! My car is not, my truck does not like to move. Yeah, I have my Corvette in here, I have my Mustang in here, I have this $150,000 truck. Just missed my turn. Truck has been following the whole night. Should I stop and tell him something? I'm gonna stop and tell him something. Now he tries to go off. Okay. Here's the house I just bought. I heard it has one bed, just for me. 2 garages for 2 of my cars, so they don't get stolen, like jacked. And a perfect spot to... I hear a truck out there just buzzing by, and it sounds the same thing as that truck that was behind me, so I don't know. Okay, no, it's gone. Alright, gotta back this in here. I swear I keep hearing somebody. Get out of my car. Get out of my car. Get out. Get out of my car. Go. Get. There is creeps out here. Sorry about that, guys. I accidentally paused the video. About that guy, I had no clue who he was, but there's a black truck right there, and I'm pretty sure I see him. He's right there. Get off my property, sir! Weird people today, bro. Bro, if I wake up in the morning and this truck's gone, I'm gonna throw hands with somebody. This truck was more expensive than my life. Okay, gotta go park this. So, gotta go park it on the other side. I keep hearing a truck. Yep, there's a truck here. I see it. Disconnect. I swear to God, This truck is gone by the morning. I swear I'm gonna throw hands with whoever's still taking it. I'll stalk you for the rest of my life. Just like this guy's gonna. We're gonna break the case. I'm gonna stay up all night watching this. Alright. Let's sit in this chair. Okay. Sorry, that was my sibling. He wants to play with me, but... What? I hear it. Shh. Which one? Which guy is it? I've heard there's like one or four. I hear something. Oh, car's pulling up. Guys, you see that? Guys, do you see that right there? Right there. I'll get ready to pull out the door. I knew it. I knew who would do it. Hurry up! Hurry up! Here we go. What's down? Stupid idea, I can just call the cops. Where'd it go? Maybe I'll meet him in town. Oh my gosh. Alright, guys. My brother keeps trying to talk to me. And I'm like, bro, be quiet. I'm trying to film a video. So. I see this truck, I swear. had to do this once. It actually worked. Okay, I'm right here. If I see any white truck that looks like my white truck, I'm going to kill them. Don't ask how. Haven't got that far yet. Probably just by hitting them with the car. That truck that I actually, they just stole. Guys, that's a car. That's the car. That's the car. That's the car.
Yeah. Hey, knocks on window. Oh, I've heard there's been some missing car.
Yeah, it's like a white truck. It's mine, but like, wait a second.
Yeah, I remember seeing you. I saw you when I was at the dragstore. I don't know. I saw you pass by.
Now I'm gonna go pick up the ATV. And I feel like I know where that truck is. So, I'm gonna go get the ATV. It's at my buddy's house. It's somewhere. I feel like I know where it's at. Yeah, I'm gonna go in a Corvette. I don't care. That truck is worth more than this. Because this is where I've been, like, seeing missing cars. I wonder if it's by the same guy or it's by a different guy or, like, what? It won't make it. I'm gonna have to travel by foot. I've been seeing like missing cars. Wait, guys, I see something in the distance. Is that my truck? That's my truck. I see my truck. Guys, I'm selling this. He wanted this, so I'm like, I sold my car to like a dealer. If this isn't my truck, I swear. This is my truck. The keys are in it and everything. Somebody's at my house. I see somebody at my house, guys. Who's at my house? I see somebody at my house. Who's that? It's gone. It's gone. Dude. Alright, guys. I think that's the end of the video. I'll catch the stealer. But yeah. Alright. Peace.